Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I review the latest tech products. Today I have a very exciting device to show you, the Motorola Moto G84 5G smartphone. This is a mid-range phone that offers some amazing features and performance at a very affordable price. Let's take a look at this phone. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this phone at a discounted price. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. The first thing that catches your eye is the stunning 6.5-inch Full HD Plus POLED display. This is very high quality screen that delivers crisp and vivid colors, deep blacks and wide viewing angles. The best part is that it has 120Hz refresh rate, which means that everything on the screen looks very smooth and responsive. Whether you are scrolling through social media, watching movies or playing games, you will enjoy a fluid and immersive experience on this display. The Motorola G84 5G also has a sleek and elegant design with a metal frame and a glass back that feels premium in the hand. The phone is very thin and light, measuring only 7.6 mm in the thickness and weighing 166 grams. On the back you will find a fingerprint sensor and a quad camera setup that consists of a 50 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 2 megapixel macro camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The main camera can capture stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition with sharp details, accurate colors and dynamic range. The ultra wide angle camera can fit more of the screen in your shots, while the macro camera can take close up shots of small objects. The depth sensor can create beautiful portrait with blurred background. On the front, you will find a 16 megapixel selfie camera that can take clear and flattering selfies. The Moto G84 5G is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G chipset, which is a very capable processor that can handle multitasking, gaming and 5G connectivity with ease. The phone also has 12 GB of RAM, which is more than enough for smooth performance and fast app switching. The phone also has 256 GB of storage, which is plenty of space for all your photos, videos, apps and games. You can also expand the storage with micro SD card. This phone runs on Android 13, which is the latest version of Google's operating system. Android 13 offers many new features and improvements such as improved privacy controls, redesigned widgets, chat bubbles, smart home controls and much more. The phone also has some Motorola exclusive features such as Moto Actions, Moto Display, Moto Game Time and Moto Audio. These features let you customize your phone to your liking and enhance your experience. This phone has a large 5000 mAh battery that can last for up to 2 days on the single charge. The phone also supports fast charging with included 30-watt turbo power charger that can give you up to 12 hours of power in just 15 minutes. The phone also supports wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. It also has other features like Bluetooth 5.1, Wi-Fi, NFC, dual stereo speakers, a headphone jack and a dedicated Google Assistant button. Think of the Moto G84 5G. Do you think it is worth buying? Let me know in the comment below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. See you. Bye bye.